On this video, we will be discussing about how we can compare different numbers, and we will be basically following two methods. The first one is counting the number of digits I'm having a number. Counting the number of digits. Higher the number of digit means higher the number is. That is the first thing. And if the number of digit is the exact same for a couple of numbers, then we will be comparing the place values from the highest place value onwards. The higher the number that I'm having on the highest place value, that number will be the largest among all of them. You don't have to worry about it if you didn't get what I just said. We will discuss a lot of examples and it will be all clear. So now for the days, we will get into the one. The first thing is comparing the numbers based upon how long it is or how many digits I'm having in it. So let's see. Now before going into the topic, we have to know a small key term called as the inequality signs. And that means we will be writing some symbols to denote which one is larger and which one is smaller. And that is what this inequality sign means. And mainly we are having three inequality sign. The first one being greater than sign. This is called as greater than. And next one is sign, this one. And next sign is this one, and this is kind of a reflection of the same image itself or same sign itself. So this is less than, and the last one is the same old equal to. So these are the three signs I'm having when it comes to an inequality. And one more thing, I will be writing some numbers on both the sides of the signs. And the number that I'm writing at the point where I'm having an open section, this open section will always be the largest number. And in this case, it will be here. The number that I'm writing at this position will be the largest number. Open means largest number. That's the only thing that you have to keep in mind here. Now we will get into the topic. The first type of comparison is all about how many digits am I having on my number itself. For example, let's say I'm having the number 72 and 355. So in this number, I'm having 2 digits here. I'm having 3 digits here. So 355 will be the largest. So I have to use which sign? I have to use 72 is less than 355. Another example, 1055 and 299. So here on the first case I'm having 4 digits. Second case I'm having only 3 digits. So I have to use which sign? Greater than, because 1055 is larger than 299. Now one more example, 27 and 463. So in this case I'm having 2 digits, 3 digits. So the 3-digit number will be the largest one. So I have to use the less than sign here. 27 is less than 463. I hope this idea is all clear. Now on the next one, we will see what happens if I'm having the same number of digits. Then what will we do? Then how will we figure out the bigger one? That is what we're going to do now. Okay, so now let's see how we can compare the numbers if I'm having the same number of digits. And for that, we have to compare the place values, or from the highest place value onwards, we have to compare the digits. We will go for an example itself. Let's say I'm having 49 and 32. Here I'm having two numbers, 49 and 32, and they're having the same number of digits. So then how will we compare? We compare from the highest place value onwards, that is from the left side of a number onwards. And on the left side I'm having the 4 here and 3 here. Which one is large? 4 or 3? 4 is larger, so I will be writing 49 larger than 32. That's all. Let's go for one more example. Let's say I'm having 53 and 59. So here also the same number of digit. So we have to compare from the highest place value onwards, that is, or from the left side onwards. And on the left side I'm having 5, and on the left side of this number also 5. They are same. Then what will we do? If the place values are same, then go for the next digit. That is 3 here and 9 here. Which one is large? 9 or 3? 9 is larger. That makes 53 being less than 59. One more example. 294 and 291. So here also same number of digit. So we have to compare from the left side onwards. I'm having 2 here, same 2 here. So we have to compare the next digit. I'm having 9, same 9 here. And the last digit, that is 4, but it's 1 here. So 4 is larger. That makes 294 larger than 291. I hope this is clear. Now a last example. I'm having 7346 and 7306. I'm having the same number of digits, 4 number of digits. We have to compare the left side onwards. 7 same, 3 same, 4 or 0, which is larger? 4 is larger. That makes 7346 larger than or greater than 7306. I hope this idea is clear. Now we are moving on to the last topic, that is the ascending order and descending order. Here we are having a small 2 topics, that is ascending and descending order. We will see what they are actually. The first one is ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange a couple of numbers from the smallest one onwards to the largest one. We have to arrange a couple of numbers from the smallest one onwards to the largest one. That means smallest to largest number. We have to arrange that couple of numbers from the smallest number to the largest number. Then the next one is descending order. Okay, if ascending order is arranging from smallest to largest, then what will be descending order? That will be exact opposite. That is from the largest number to the smallest number. So that is what he meant by this ascending order and descending order. Now we will see how to arrange a couple of numbers using this order itself. So I'm having 2 series here. On the first one we will arrange them in ascending order, and the other one we will arrange in the descending order. The first one, 85, 37, 293, 285 and 300. Ascending means from the smallest one to the largest. So we have to find out the smallest one here, right? So the first thing, when we compare the numbers, we need to first consider the number of digits. So in this one 3, in this one 1, 2, 3 digits, in this one also 3 digits, but in these two I'm having 2 digits only in these two. So these two will be the smaller compared to these two. These are the other 3. Now which one is smaller, 85 or 37? These two are having the same number of digits, so we have to compare the place values, that is from 8 onwards, 8 and 3. 8 is 3, that makes 85 being larger than 37. So let's arrange them. Let's write that down. In this case of 8 and 3, which one is smaller? 37 is smaller because 3 is smaller than 8. So I will be having 37 first. After that I'm having 85. Now we have to compare the rest of the numbers. And in all these 3 I'm having same 3 digits itself. So we have to compare from the first digit onwards. On the first digit I'm having 2, 2 and 3. So 2, 2 and 3. 300 is larger than 2. So I can avoid that now. Now which is larger? 293 or 285? The first digit is same. So we have to compare the second. 9 and 8. Which is smaller? 8 is smaller. That makes the next number as 285, and after that I will be having 293. And now there is only one number remaining, that is 300. So that will be my ascending order. And if we get the ascending order, the exact reverse will be descending order, because largest to 2, because it is 300, 293, 285. It's the reverse order. That's all we have to do. So if you get one order, the reverse is the other order or descending. That's the only idea. Now we are having one more problem. We will do that now. So let's consider the second one. I'm having 1021, 1138, 111, 1031 and 1139. Now here also we are going to arrange them in ascending order, and the first thing we have to compare the number of digits here. So I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the numbers except 111 is having 4 digits. So 111 will be the smallest one. So 111. Now after that, all the numbers is having 4 digits. So we have to compare the place values now. So we will do that now. So first one, I'm having 1, 1, 1, 1. So all the other numbers is having the same 1 at the beginning or to the left side. That means we have to compare the second digit onwards. I'm having 0 here. I'm having 1 here. So 1 and 0, which is smaller? 0 is smaller. And then I'm having again one more 1 and then one more 0. So I'm having 2 zeros and 2 ones here. So I know that 0 is smaller, so that means I'm having 1021 or 1031 as my next number. Now, which one should I write now? 1021 or 1031? For that, we have to consider the next digit. That is 2 here, and it's 3 here, which is smaller. 2 is smaller, that makes 1021 being the next number, and after that 1031. Now I'm having 2 more numbers remaining, 1138, 1139, and I know that first 2 digit, in a way first 3 digit are the exact same thing. So I have to compare the last digit, that is 8 and 9, which is larger. 9 is larger, so I will be writing 1138 and 1139. This will be the ascending order. And if you need to find the descending order, we just have to flip the numbers. That is, we have to start writing from 1139, 1138, 1031, 1021 and 111. So that's all about ascending and descending order. See you next class. Take care. Bye.